Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a smooth before and after effect in CapCut. Perfect for showing maybe photo edits, glow ups, color grading, or any transformations videos. So let's jump right in. First, just open CapCut and then import your main video or clip like this. And then once it's in the timeline like this, just duplicate the clip by tapping on it and then just tap on duplicate. This one, just tap on it. And then next just make it the one of them into an overlay like this. And this overlay will act as your after versions while the clip below will be your before. Next just adjust the Next, just color grading the overlay clips. Just go to adjust like this and then just adjust it as you like. Basically, just make your after version look different from the original. You can tweak like brightness, contrast, saturations, and or just apply any filter that you want like this. For example like this, and then just checklist. And next, once you're happy with your look, we will move to the next step. Just tap on your overlay clips again and then go to max, this one, and then just select horizontal and then just rotate the mask so it's positioned vertically like this. Like this. And then at the start of your video, move the mask completely off of one side so that your main clip is fully visible like this. Like this. And then just move the playhead forward on the timeline and slide, for example over here, and then just slide the mask so it covers half of the main video like this. That's your second keyframes, and then move forward again. For example over here, and then just slide the mask like this, and then move forward again for the last. Just slide the mask all the way until it fully covers the main video like this. And then to make it smoother, just add graph on between the keyframes like this. And then your video will look like this. Okay, like that's it. You have just created a clean before and after effect in CapCut. It's super easy and professional looking. Okay, if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.